case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Lima Locomotive and Machine Company v. National Steel Castings Company case in 1907 revolved around a contract dispute between two parties, a steel casting supplier, the plaintiff, and a buyer, the defendant. The contract obligated the buyer to purchase all of their required steel castings from the supplier for the remainder of the year. However, the situation became mired in controversy when the supplier's furnace broke down and became inoperable, forcing the buyer to look for alternative sources. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit overturned the lower court's decision, concluding that the plaintiff had breached the contract and could not complain about the defendant's good faith efforts to obtain the necessary castings elsewhere. The court stated that the defendant had no obligation to cancel contracts or return patterns to the plaintiff. Ultimately, the judgment was for the defendant for $1,797.46, with interest dating back to January 1, 1903, and the costs of the suit. This ruling highlighted the essential idea that in mutual contracts, both parties must uphold their agreed-upon obligations, and the court will interpret the agreement's intent and presumed understanding between the parties.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.